Picture this. It's December 31st, 2025. It's midnight, and you're looking back on a year where you absolutely crushed your goals. Your finances are flourishing, you're in the best shape of your life, and your relationships have never been stronger. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Now here's the twist. This isn't a fantasy, it can be your reality. And I'm here to show you the one transformative habit that can get you there. Let me ask you something. How many times have you made New Year's resolutions, only to watch them fall apart by February? It's not because you're lazy or unmotivated. The truth is, it's because you're trying to change everything at once. And that's overwhelming. But what if there was a simple habit, a single habit that could change everything? The good news? There is. It's called daily reflection. And it's the secret weapon behind the success of some of the most accomplished people you know. Here's how it works. At the end of each day, take just 5 minutes. Grab a notebook or journal, find a quiet space, and answer these three questions. What went well today? What could I improve? What's my game plan for tomorrow? This habit rewires your brain for growth. It helps you move away from autopilot and start living with purpose. Let me share something personal. A few years ago, I felt stuck, like I was running in circles. I was busy with everything but accomplished nothing. That's when I discovered this habit. At first, it seemed too simple, too easy. But within weeks, I noticed a shift. I started identifying patterns in my behavior, cutting out distractions, and focusing on what truly mattered. By the end of that year, I had achieved my fitness goals, grown my income significantly, and rebuilt my confidence, all because I made reflection non-negotiable. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail because they lack talent or resources. They fail because they lack awareness. Reflection gives you the clarity to adjust, improve, and stay on track. So here's my challenge for you. Tonight, spend 5 minutes reflecting. Write down one thing you're proud of, one thing you'd like to improve, and one action you'll take tomorrow. Stick with this for the next 7 days, and I guarantee you'll notice a difference.